Alright, start recording. So, anyway, I already told you this, but anyway, I figured out the answer to my favorite platformer, which would be Ori and the Blind Forest, which I completed. I think that's the
Right.
first game, but I know there's Will o' the Wisp, I think is the sequel. And
Right.
and the reason, and this is how they'll know that this is directly after or soon after the previous video, is because I'll remember to answer the question and not just forget about it. Because I've been watching older videos where it's like, there's so many things we either missed or I just like blew your question off or like diverted it.
Well, yeah, that has happened sometimes. Says you're live. I can't. Oh, there it goes.
Yeah.
I couldn't watch your stream for a second. It wasn't showing up.
It was because I didn't have it open.
I see. Do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do-do. Alright. Don't want to get copy struck.
I doubt it. I honestly doubt it. Like, I mean, I get
You know what? Fair.
But, you know, at the same time, as long as you weren't doing it for, like, 40 seconds, I sure...
5 seconds.
Well, yeah, I feel like after, like, 10 seconds, you could get copy striked or something. But at the same time, it's like, there's no guarantee that you're doing it exactly...
There's no real...
I
don't know, it's kind of simple.
Yeah, it's simple, but...
The final countdown's not the most complex beat to...
That is also true.
It's...
Hey, my Kasana's...
It's not the most complex.
From the last video.
Already? Did you just... Is that the first weapon you found?
Yes. Immediately got in here and...
Wow. Wow.
Not that I'm gonna use it.
Right.
Whoa. Why is that guy... Oh, it's because he went... Oh, yeah, because he spawned in that way.
Right.
Wow.
Crossbow Man. Rainbow Man. Speedball. Sorry. Anyways, I'm a bit out of commentary on today's episode.
You're fine. Give me all damage after swapping. Oh, okay, what are we doing? Alright. Interesting. So I just was watching Matt Hat Day, and did you know
right.
Apparently there's a BioShock movie in the works.
Like,
when I heard that,
what?
I was like, what? There's a BioShock movie being made?
Oh, no. You cut out for a second, so I didn't hear what you said.
Yeah, there's a BioShock.
But you were watching MatPat today.
Yes, and...
a BioShock movie coming out.
Well, I don't know. I haven't seen the webpage myself, but I know in his video he mentioned that BioShock was getting a movie, Mario's obviously getting a movie, and then a couple other ones.
Well, honestly, that sounds pretty cool. BioShock is from the scene of our Let's Play. I am not the best at understanding the lore. I've missed a lot, but at the same time, it does seem like the perfect kind of situation to turn it into a movie. Seems easily adaptable. It also seems, well, it'd be expensive, no lie, but easily adaptable.
I mean, movies are always expensive. It's the question of how are they gonna sometimes if it decides to try to be like a prequel, because I don't think there is a prequel in the series. It could be a scenario where it's how did Ryan, what's his name, Ryan? I was gonna say Ryan Reynolds, but I know that's not it. I know that's an actor.
Good.
Why did the main guy who made the place? I can't think of what his name would be though.
Ryan McGee.
No.
No. We'll just call him Ryan McGee.
Yeah, I know his name.
For
I know he's
no reason.
Called Ryan. I just don't know his last name. That's the issue.
Andrew Ryan.
Yep.
Ryan is his last name.
Oh.
Andrew Ryan.
Nice.
I don't know why that... Okay, I got it.
Hey, you found out before me.
Honestly, surprising. Wait, what is it?
I take less damage the lower health I have.
Oh, well, yeah, fair enough.
I mean, it's not a downer compared to the one I got before that literally said take 0.5 more damage, I think, or something, but you get like 0.5 more coins, which could be technically worth it. I guess the question is, do I trust in my ability? Because I've taken that one time in the middle of a boss fight and it got me killed.
Fight? Right.
Yeah,
In my opinion, it's never wise to take something that'll, harm you. Well, especially for wealth. Like, minus 50 health for wealth. I mean, I guess I was going to rhyme there, but I didn't fully mean to.
What I'll do is I'll drop it before the boss. Before the boss fight. Because I won't go into the boss fight with it if I don't trust my weapons. If I trust my weapons, then...
Right. Because...
Ooh.
Right.
I also have to be extra careful now because
two things.
What?
For these guys, as long as you're not being surrounded before the boss, then yeah, it should be beneficial here. But for bosses, and trust me, that sand world where you keep getting your ass handed to you, not the best idea.
I will say, the electric kunai is really... Speak of his name and he shall
useful.
Appear. Literally, I start talking with
I know. Like, I don't... I was wondering if, like, it was lag or something, and you saw it and then it appeared, and then you talked about it, or if you talked about it and then it appeared.
No, it's useful for that fight because it automatically, if you hit one thing and automatically goes to another, it hits those orbs really well.
Yeah, you know what?
Because it's a homing one.
And really doesn't it... Right, and isn't it also, like, long range?
It is, but it doesn't... It's not good for DPS. It's not very, like, fast.
It's not the fastest, but it's extremely powerful and hits almost any range. Plus, it can be used easier up close than one with, like, a sniper rifle.
Yes, I will admit the kunai is better than a sniper rifle. Well, in some cases, in case of like the crit multiplier is lower, I guess, and certain other things might be different. But yes, I would say a kunai is is faster than a sniper rifle, and it's more convenient. But you don't.
Right.
But then you don't get your scope.
You don't get in situations like that.
Or if there's like certain perks you have that's like, hey. Actually, no, I don't think there are any perks that directly require you to look into the scope. Or if there are, I've never seen them.
Right.
Wow,
I mean...
That lasted forever. Like, I only have...
You know what...
I only have two...
You know what I miss?
What?
I miss your sword.
Yeah.
I miss your sword.
The only problem with the sword... Now, there's only 4 swords, I think, in the game in total. And I don't... The only reason I don't like it is because of the fact that if you meet anyone who's long range, like
you have to be close range, and
like those snipers
if you
walls, I can't get
right.
them if I don't have a gun, like or a grenade.
Right, those are perfect for the kunai then. Anything close range, anything far range, you got a kunai.
But then if you rely on the kunai, then you don't have any super fast damage for range. You have strong damage, but it's not very quick.
It's not necessarily the same. I'll give you that.
Hold on. I'm being called away. I'll be right back.
Same then. I'm getting my drink. Baba Booey. All right. Hello, dear audience. I don't know if he's even still recording. If he is, I guess this is my moment to just say, what's up? I don't know what else to say here. Shit, I shouldn't have said anything. Oh well. You like jazz?
I know it's bad timing, but I kind of forgot after I did my cooking, I had laundry, so I have to move that real quick, and that might take me a few minutes. So go ahead and stool on some questions or do whatever, get a drink or whatever you require. But remember, you're still on recording, but I
Right.
can edit it out as needed.
Oh, I am on recording. Oh, I had a little bit of conversation with the audience then already. Alright.
Well, that's fine. You can get personal with them. I'll hear it later on, so just don't talk about me.
Oh, no. Alright, now that he's gone, what a shit, am I right, guys? Oh, God, nah. Hey, man, what's up? Initial what? I guess now I could actually do some reading on these. I'm never able to fully read them. Editing note! Take a bit more time to read these. Basic weapon with limited ammo. No. Honestly, that one kind of seems broken. If you could add an elemental thing on it, and then also... I don't know if you could do that, but if you could, that'd be broken. Alright, be right back. I'm gonna take a piss. Still not back. Oh, fuck it. Alright. What's up? Audience! Still got nothing to talk about. 50% chance, cause an explosion that deals corrosion. Alright, isn't that the slowing one? This game is a bit like Hades. I could seriously get into this. I think I'm getting into those games, period. Oh well. They're fun. Time for quick game of euchre. U-C-H-R-E. Alright, audience. Hot tip. You can play euchre online. I don't even know if anyone knows what euchre is. I sure hell didn't until about a month or two ago. Shit, I really ain't got much to talk about. Let me go back to this. Four heads of lightning grants one use of dagger fan. Cast the fan daggers, mark enemies, inflict 2 extra lightnings, dagger hit lightning, marked enemy. Okay. So it's honestly 4 hits instead of 1.
Oh, you're looking at the crit multiplier?
I was reading some of these, and I was thinking that technically the kunai is 4 shots, not 1, since it does go 4 times. And it hits them twice.
says every 4 hits grants a lightning use.
Oh, I don't know. Fucking sorry. I don't know why.
It's saying that if I use.
I thought that was like.
I'll show you what it's talking about.
I can't read. Yeah.
If I hit him a 4th time.
Portal has been opened. And then if you hit him again, it would have done something extra cool. Alright.
No, it would have given me a stock of fan blades.
Honestly, well, the toxic smoke would be nice. But yeah, I want to.
You'll get to see it here.
Also, I have a question. I have a question.
What?
Your base gun, the one you start out with on everything, right?
Mhm.
With that, could you upgrade it?
No, I would have to upgrade one of my other guns.
It's a shame because I was looking at it and it said that it had unlimited ammo, and I was thinking if it had unlimited ammo, that's kind of broken if you could upgrade it.
Well, you can technically. What it does is it goes by the lowest of the grades of your weapon. So if you have a level 6 and a level 3, it will go off to level 3. So you can technically upgrade it, but you have to keep upgrading both your guns equally. Damn. I might drop that gold thing here in a second if this guy doesn't back off. You wanna do your ultimate swing or something, buddy? Whoa! Anyway, so were you telling me any lies about me?
No. What? No. Like how, shit, man, I can't fucking lie. I don't know how.
I was saying, you either can't remember or you can't think of a believable lie.
I can't think of a believable lie. I can't. I don't.
And a start of power. Oh, this is funny.
Oh, start of hour. That seems.
There have been 3. They've given me only lightning guns. Or lightning weapons. First it was the Kasana.
Honestly, haven't they been just giving you.
Then they gave me the lightning gun.
Haven't they just been giving you nothing but lightning shit?
Yeah, like they really want to use lightning stuff right now.
Not just this run, but like last episode too. On the last couple runs, you've been getting lightning stuff major.
I was using lightning stuff a lot. I was focused on this one literally.
Yeah, true.
Lightning stuff. Oh my goodness.
You're right.
Damage
is so low, but the rounds are way higher. Obviously.
Yeah. Last time I was rocking with the Katana and this weapon. Which, honestly, I might get rid of the snipers.
None of them.
Just because it's weaker, but it's also a higher magazine and rounds.
Wait. Try the other. What's the other one in comparison?
Start of Hour. It's the same, except there's more rounds, I think. Because this is like an SMG, I think, compared to the other one. And this one.
Well, that's the thing. No. Wait, is that saying it is 3 times less crit, or it is still 3 times crit?
3 times crit, and this
which is lower than yours.
It's lower than this gun.
2.
Because this gun.
It's a lower crit and damage.
That does a crit.
And
4.5.
Yeah, now.
4.5.
Or 4.5. Right. Now go to the other thing.
Oh, the kunai is so bad comparatively. The crit is higher. The damage is higher. And the magazine would obviously be higher, but obviously the rounds are a lot less.
Right. What are the lower stats on the thing?
Well, compared
on your kunai?
It's the crit.
10%. Alright.
The damage goes down by
yeah, it says a lucky shot chance is. Well, that's the thing. A lucky shot chance for 40%. That's nearly 50% chance of a crit every hit.
Also, there was something you didn't notice last time. When the starter hour had a 100% elemental chance, it wasn't doing elemental chance every time. So the inscriptions, I think, are bonuses, but I don't think if they go to 100%, I don't think that's a guarantee. I don't think so, at least. Or at least with that
Oh,
starter
dude,
hour.
get that, get that. Look at the second one. Look at. Alright, wait, you will lose one stack. Yeah, because what's it mean to lose one stack? I'm looking at the bottom thing, and that's just really broken.
Each hit gains 3% weapon damage for 5 seconds up to 15 stacks. You'll lose one stack on miss.
Oh. Can you hit your shots perfect?
No, that's why I didn't take the sniper.
That is the question.
Because look at the sniper and look at the blue one. 10% weapon damage based on
10% base damage up to 200. No. Well, honestly, the snipers, I actually.
Yeah, 20 shots. If I could hit 20 shots in a row without missing, this could get 200 plus to damage. But I'm not that accurate, so it's not that worth it to me.
Yeah, wait, go. What's your other weapon? You still have the kunai?
No, I took the start of hour.
No, let's look at if I can. Right. And honestly, I think this is what you have. What you have. I think you upgraded. Looking at overall the bottom stats. Whenever you like pick up a new weapon, I only look at the green and blue stuff because that's the first thing that catches my eye, and also it's the only part I can really read.
Are you like?
But yeah.
Or is it because it's pixelated? Well, actually, let me compare this real quick.
A bit of both. Yeah, I'd get that, and also, is that the boss up here?
No, I don't think so. What I wanted to do was compare these two start hours, where this one is better by crit rate. But it loses the lucky shot thing.
What is?
For every 10% ammo consumed, your total magazine.
Wait, 50% of that. 15% of the chance to fill magazine when killing an enemy. Dude, you have to switch.
No.
The 2.4 you have. I mean, yeah, but that refills your ammo whenever you kill an enemy.
But there's a 50% chance of that happening. Now, yes, that is 1 in 2 enemies.
Yeah.
But look at the other gun. One, it has better accuracy and stability, which is better for hitting people. And while I'm not guaranteeing the lucky shot will pay off, I would prefer that just because that crit X, I don't think is better than the accuracy. Because if I can't hit things, it doesn't matter how good the crit multiplier, or if it would automatically reload, which this gun does automatically reload. But the question is, would I want to
Right, they both kind of. No.
You say that, but why wouldn't I want to? Yes, the damage is lower, but honestly, I just need at least one good weapon for fast damage. And the other weapon can be nice for hitting around enemies. Yeah, I'll keep it. We'll see what will come out. If there's a better kunai later on, I might pick it up. That's all I'll say. I won't take the last.
Well, yeah, that was the thing, because it did have higher base damage as well. But like you said, it might actually be, since you're not the best at aiming, it might be best to have 2 guns that are fully automatic. Oh. I see what you mean by miss, not that looking at that.
Now, this is a very nice, precise gun, so I can burst it.
Right. Dude. Did you burst? Yeah. Everywhere around his head, you did go from the side to the top of his head to the other side. It was quite impressive how you missed on a burst fire.
This is interesting.
Pray for power. No.
Or I could do. So here's the question. I wonder. Hold on. Remember the scroll I kept, which is I get 50% more copper with this scroll.
Right.
Does this mean that I would get 822, you think? Because that'd be a lot of money to get.
It would, but I don't think so. Because usually games like this don't have
Here,
it
I'll save
like
myself
item gotten money.
60. Yeah, I think that still leaves me with more health, so I'll do power. And then let's see what happens when I.
Yeah, the power one.
Oh, it didn't let me cheat. I thought it was gonna let me cheat. I thought if I took it off and
Damn.
they would be like, hey, yeah, you have 20 HP, and it's like, yeah, I get to keep that. It's like, no. They were smart enough to realize that they probably shouldn't just have let me have full rain. Yeah, back off, buddy boy.
Yeah.
Whoa, that went right through my head. I don't know why that didn't work, but ooh, that weapon can be interesting. Wow, that was a fail.
What one was it? What is it? I don't see it. It's
weapon.
blue.
Well,
It's
we're
gold?
not done yet. We are not done yet.
Yeah, maybe finish what you're doing first. On him.
Secondary cell can be used when the number of uses is insufficient. Oh, but each use causes damage to you? That is bad.
That's no. Wait, think. What is your secondary skill? Is it an attack or an escape?
It's a grenade. No,
Oh,
never that.
that might be useful. Wait, what were the stats on this one?
I took this
I don't
one
know.
because it has a shield that lets me go ahead and
Right, but I was thinking like I don't know. I was thinking Risk of Rain for some reason. I was thinking
Yeah.
something that could
Yes, I
maybe
know what you're
infinitely
referring
let
to.
you.
No, it's
If
not.
you could infinitely roll out of damage or something,
Nope.
that'd be useful in a game like either of these games.
I will say, whenever I do get Risk of Rain, I think you should try a different character just so that way, just because that's such a basic character, and I feel like you probably would like the Huntress, just because of how, like, you don't have to, with how the fact you don't have to aim with her. Ouch.
Well, that's the thing. I don't mind the aiming part. The part I really didn't like about the Huntress, because I did look over the Huntress when I was going over the characters I unlocked.
Wow.
When I looked at her, it said you can only roll forward. I was like, no. I value being able to roll.
Why is it?
Yeah, you know that.
Jesus, though.
I know. But on the Huntress, you know, on the main base character, which is the one I use, obviously.
Woo.
Whoa.
Oh, this is so bad.
Sorry.
This is so bad. No, you're fine. I'm just
But the base character
I
the
don't.
base character I use, they can roll in any direction to get out of danger, right? And I value being able to roll backwards or diagonally to the side.
I feel like I'm not either. We're not talking about the same. Because I don't remember that being either the Huntress's ability or you can get her side ability, which is much more useful. Yeah, I think she has
Their
a
side ability?
Yeah, you can use certain achievements for characters. You can unlock new abilities. Like for her, I thought hers was a blink. It wasn't I thought it was a blink. It wasn't a slide. If anything, I thought that was
Wow.
basic.
I don't know.
It was a slide. Maybe
I
I
haven't.
might jump to the left, but I'm pretty sure that she is.
But like I said, I haven't played.
Yeah,
I haven't played as her.
She can only teleport forward. That is true.
Right.
That.
Which is your escaping move.
Yes.
That's your escape move.
Which
Like
I
the
like
roll
to
is
know.
for the basic guy.
Yeah. I was confused at first because I was
And the
like,
teleporting
that doesn't sound
one-
right.
Yeah, the teleporting one is theoretically better for escaping danger from like someone shooting at you. But I'm mostly using, I don't know, I'm just using rolling sideways usually, so I can continue at them and just be constantly evasive.
Alright,
It's the only way I.
actually, here's what we'll do.
Plus, it,
Let
but
me get
like I said, I honestly don't know how good the other characters are. Once I saw that you could only go forward, I was like, nah, screw that. I'm going back to my comfort zone.
Ability and getting rid of that ability. So I do not need
Here we go, base character.
Please work!
Holy
I
shit.
think that worked? It did! Oh
It
my
did.
goodness.
And this gun is kind of overpowered.
Well,
I'm
no,
realizing that now.
An absorbing ability is really nice. That's the thing. I wanted it for that fact, was the fact that it is a super cool
I mean,
absorbing ability.
yeah, but does that not seem broken?
I mean, not really. If they're not either shooting at you, or if you end up using it at the wrong time.
I mean, yeah, I guess.
Oh, ouch.
You got it.
Yep. I
Dude,
didn't think, I was scared, because I was like, oh no, is this actually gonna work, or am I just gonna die here in 30 seconds? And it was like, wait, I lived? I just, that's one of my favorite things about, like, certain games, is like, when they bring in a thing where it's like, hey, you can absorb damage and throw it back at them, I always think, oh, how broken is this? Like, can I take, like, 400 damage and then just throw that back at them? Like, how strong?
Okay, so it's not just... well, that's the thing. The gun itself was just tearing through his shield, and then you blocked his overpowered attack. And then it took half of the other half of his shield and a good chunk of his life. What gun is that?
Bullets to smaller you upon hitting.
Dude, I don't know. I kind of like that. I'm thinking maybe. No,
It's annoying because I just started upgrading lightning attacks, so I'm not gonna bring it up.
I know.
So, for the start of hour.
If I was thinking, if you could get rid of the star thing for that, because that looked pretty good, but no. If you already started upgrading,
if I didn't pick
then it's not worth it.
I think it was only a lightning, or it was different other options. But if I saw the fire thing ahead of time, then I probably would have considered not getting the lightning.